This video shows how to buy shares of Omeros Corp, specifically the ticker OMER. Omeros is a biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ, and this is educational content only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker OMER to locate Omeros Corp. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing that shows the company name next to the ticker. On the stock page, review the company summary, the price chart, and basic details to confirm it's the right stock. Confirm the exchange reads NASDAQ, and the ticker is OMER before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.